abusia for your mama kwaba once again eba my frames channel akono aduane fie yeah great any shrimps and then the yes similar kasa into yen same breno and yama yeah great any shrimps any. These are the ingredients we're going to use today to prepare our grits and shrimps. We have the grits, which is number one. The grits are here. This is the grits for the grits as well. And I have with me, I have my shrimps, nice and deveined shrimps. And I have bacon. Bacon, you could do any bacon of your choice, but this is turkey bacon. And I have with me onions, chopped onions, and I have minced garlic, and I have here celery, and I have here green bell pepper, and I have here sun-dried tomatoes, and I have here a little bit celery leaves, that's for garnishing, and I have here butter, and I have here virgin oil, extra virgin oil, and I have here corn flour, and I have here paprika, salt to taste, and I have here lemon pepper for seasoning as well. So guys, we're going to get started. The 2 cups of chicken broth esiso for the grits. Now wasa eno esijaso to get ready to boil no. I'm going to season my shrimps, and I'm using this seasoning for the shrimp. I'm not gonna use that much. Me use soup bebre. A little bit of paprika, like that. Guys, this seasoning has a little, heat in it. So when you're using it, hello guys, I have my chicken broth boiling. And at this moment, I'm gonna season it the broth a little bit with chicken seasoning, and make sure you whisk it so well so it doesn't become lumpy. Ebusia for grits na yedi esiso no. Making sure so when in 10 na nye aba. Fire low heat so that won't splash. I'm putting a little bit oil on the pan, and after that we'll fry the shrimps too. I was here for maybe bacon right. Yeah, it's so dry. Into me the oil kakra egum said to put it on the pan and you fry it. But because this is turkey bacon, I put a little bit oil in the pan because turkey bacon is always dry. I was here for turkey bacon, do a dry. Into me the oil kakra bi egu pan na se, and I made a chia na se made the I've fried the bacon, and the bacon is right here, and I'm now doing the shrimp. We put seasoning on the shrimp, and the shrimps. As soon as your shrimp turn to pink, yeah, know that it's cooked. Don't overcook your shrimps. Don't overcook your shrimps. Guys, I'm putting my onions and garlic in this pan that has the bacon and the shrimp seasoning. Okay, I'm just for the bell pepper and the celery. This is the bell pepper and the celery. We're gonna add it at this point. Adding a little bit of cornstarch. I was saying for cornstarch. For this recipe, you need this cornstarch to thicken your sauce for the grits. Guys, I'm adding a little paprika, and if you want a little heat, please add the crushed pepper or cayenne pepper to it. If you want more heat, you could do that. And at this moment, I'm adding my chopped dry tomatoes to it. It goes in. Guys, we add in our butter at this point in our grits. Butter. And I'm gonna add the cream. I have the cream here. I'm gonna add so I'm doing this. I'll add the Parmesan a little bit. I don't want too much Parmesan in my grits, so go like that. And creamy. I'm adding a little bit Parmesan cheese, a little bit. I was trying for anyway. To know what to buy. Our grapes look so nice. Hello everyone. This is our grapes and shrimps. Yeah, this is the bacon. I love to put my bacon on it like that to make it crunchy, to have that crunchiness. Oh yes. And I'm gonna garnish it with my celery leaves like that. How do you like that? Yes, shrimps and grits. So that's how you enjoy your grits and shrimps. Thank you all for watching.